AI is not just going to fix your data mess in the NetSuite system.
Yeah, I think, again, when we first come into some of these environments, system stability, understanding the rules of governance for data. I think data governance, again, we've talked about this at length, Louis, is something that is vastly overlooked in these systems. And we all know it's an age-old adage in ERP, garbage in, garbage out. So that to me is a critical piece. Again, reducing errors that may be occurring, identifying why they're occurring so that we can root cause analysis and fix those. And that's really just to get the system to a stable state to then build on the enhancement side. And a lot of that to me comes where the dev strategy of having urgent fixes that you need something done to a planned, identified path of what you're trying to accomplish and what your goals and expected ROI is, instead of just break fix, right? So having a plan of action of we're going to do these types of automations and customizations, and here's the payback piece. And those are much more cleanly identified when you're not putting out fires, right? You're not just trying to solve so you can close the books. You're proactively looking at the system, identifying areas where you can make those changes. And that way there's a cohesive, plan of action to get you from point A to point B with clearly defined goals.
And it's really, customers don't celebrate having fewer IT tickets, but they do celebrate the fact that their work isn't being interrupted by system issues anymore, which is what a lot of the optimization can do.
Back to system stability. If the data is not in NetSuite and the data is not accurate, you're going to get garbly goop as far as your results. And I think a lot of people forget that. AI is not just going to fix your data mess in the NetSuite system.
Right, it's not going to fix the accuracy of your data and what you've got in there. So it's critical that what's in there is accurate.
So again, the underlying structure is the data. The integrity of that is so important to have to be able to utilize those tool sets.